So 10 minutes into my genogram, I finished my dad's side of the family. I have my grandparents up here, and then my dad's two brothers, Tom and Hal. I've used some lines to show their relationship. So my Uncle Tom has a hostile relationship with his parents, and then my Uncle Hal has a good marriage with my Aunt Janelle, and then my Uncle Hal and my dad are best friends. So that's where I'm at right now. So for my finished version of the genogram, I added some more people and some more features and signs. So my grandmother has Alzheimer's disease, so I added that sign for her. And then she has a emotionally abusive relationship with my mother, so I added that there. And then I added the third generation of people. I added my cousin Jacob and my cousin Jacqueline, who are best friends. I use the same signal for me and my brother, who are best friends. And then that sign means that me and my sister are good friends. My cousin Jacob has a bad relationship with his parents, but my side of the family, we all have good relationship, harmonious relationship. That's what the green line symbols with our parents. So that's the finished version.